Okay, let's answer some of your questions while I do laundry until the Vivint people come over. We have an alarm security system on our home. We go through Vivint, and we're getting a few upgrades to our house. More cameras and some awesome security features. So they're going to be here soon. But I thought I'd answer a few of your questions while I am working on some things. This is a freezer. I have a big standing freezer and then an extra freezer and fridge right here. And one question is, do you have to thaw out your deep freezer and stand-up freezer? Would love info. When I had a chest freezer, I had to. It wasn't too bad though. But this one, I don't. It's got like... the way that it's made, I don't have to do that, thank goodness. So, assumption, you never finished college. No, I didn't. I didn't know what, well, I did know what I was going for. I started school for film. I wanted to be an editor in movies or whatever. And so I started my generals, and then when we got married, I just had all the money go to Derek for school. And then things shift as you become a mom and stuff, and so no, I never finished, and that's okay. Harder to raise, teen boys or teen girls? I would say it depends on the child. Callie was freaking easy, just because of her temperament. Jonah, he's had his moments. So I'll let you fully know with Boston and Shaylee, but each child is different. I know a lot of moms that struggle with their teen boys, and I know a lot of moms that struggle with their teen girls. So I honestly don't think it's either or. Okay, here is an assumption. I know you're LDS, which is Mormon, but I think you secretly drink coffee. Oh, that is so funny. No, I do not secretly drink coffee. In fact, I have tried coffee when I was younger, and I think it is gross. I do like coffee flavored ice cream, and I've had the nip candy, and I really enjoy those, but like coffee, no, I think it's gross. I love the smell of coffee. Oh my gosh, love it, but I think it's nasty. So nope, that assumption is not true. I'm out of breath because we just chased Paige. She left the house. We need to get one of those perimeter collars. I like chased her forever away, and so, oh my gosh, that was not fun. Where would you travel if you could go out of the country? I've said this for years. It'd be Italy, Ireland. Yeah, that would be like, it's a trip together, Italy and Ireland. So bad. I want to do genealogy, and I need to go there. Do you have an at-home workout routine? No. I'm just starting to work out again. And I don't have a routine. It's when I just feel like it. I need to. And I think I'll get more into the swing of it here when the weather warms up and it's just more motivating and the kids are home. So I do need to get back into the swing of it for sure. You'd rather your kids experience setbacks rather than coddling them? Absolutely. It's you want to step in a lot and you just can't. Yeah, it's better for them to experience a setback than coddle them, because I mean the whole point of us raising them is to make them into good, hopefully decent human beings that are not jerks. And they've got to learn that not everything is handed to you, given to you. You don't get a medal for everything, and you need to experience a setback so you know, okay, what can we learn from this? How can we grow from this? And yeah, I tried to. We definitely tried to. Yeah. Hi! It is now Saturday, and I look much better than yesterday. I went to a internet safety, like social media class up in Salt Lake City with a friend today. It was awesome. It was really good. Really good info to bring to you guys. Coming soon. It is 5:20 p.m. And I am just getting to work. When I got home, spent some time with Callie, started editing a little for you guys, and now I'm going to pick up the house and just get ready for Sunday. Tomorrow's Sunday. And yeah, time to get ready for Sunday. And tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. Woohoo! And it's Sunday and I'm going to try to get back into baking bread on Sunday. I miss it so much. And we're going to get back into the habit. Every Sunday I used to bake bread. That's what we're going to do. So I'm excited for tomorrow. You really hate cooking and cleaning. LOL, just kidding. At times, I despise both of them. I don't mind tidying, but cleaning, ugh. And it depends on my mood, depends on the day. Is it a full moon out? Which way is the sun in the sky? Is it a day ending in Y? It's all of those things. With both. So, I think I'm not alone in that. Your kids are in private school. No, they are not. My kids go to a charter school. It's public school, but it's a charter school. They do things a little bit different than a public school. Well, the two younger ones are in a charter school. Jonah goes to a normal public high school, so yay. Do you know the name of the paint color in your living room area? Well, it's in my living room and in my kitchen. It is Anew Gray by Sharon Williams, and I love this color. I love this color. In fact, I'm thinking about putting it in my master bedroom. And then, yeah, I would love to do the basement in it, but we'll see. But I love this color. Love, love, love. Shaylee has friends over, so the next few clips, I'm going to just do a voiceover. They're being so cute in there. One question was, how do you stay with your routine after one of your hard days? It's hard for me. Well, there's a lot of to-dos on our routines, right? So if you're having a hard day with whatever it is, just pick one thing on your routine to do. And that will either motivate you to do more, or it's just satisfying to know you did one thing. So when my days are crazy and I don't have the time or the will, or just, you know, life happens, I'll just pick one thing and do it and be proud of it. This gal asks, thoughts on having older teenagers and watching all your kids grow up? Well, it's hard watching them grow up, but exciting. Teenagers, I love having them. I am more scared of what is going to happen to them now as teenagers than their safety when they were toddlers. It's a whole different world, but they are so much fun, and I laugh with them, and we just have such a good time. They are just mini adults, and they just want the respect, and I try to give them that, but still let them know that Dad and I are the authority. But honestly, they just want to be heard and have their opinion matter. It really is so fun, despite all the craziness and the worrying and the discipline and all that. Like, honestly, it's a load of fun. My favorite chore, towels. I could do that all day long.
That's twice the row, by the way. Put it back. 5s, 9s, 11s. Got it.
Hello friends. Okay, it is Monday. Yesterday was a good day. That was fun. Lots of fun. So right now I'm taking a time out, and I am planning in my planner. I did get a new planner for the new year. I went to Target and I grabbed this bad boy from them. This is Blue Sky. I love how hard the cover is. I like how wide of a planner it is. Yeah, it's just basic and I like it. I like how their monthly spread is lined. The months are lined, and I love how big the week section is, especially the things to do section. I can create this however I want, and I'm actually loving it. So, and this is actually giving me inspiration for the planner that I want to create. Yep, I've been wanting to do this for over a year now, and I've been taking parts of all the planners that I love, and I am so excited. So I'm working on that. Yeah, so I'm going to plan this week in my planner, and I thought I would answer more of your assumptions and your questions while I do this. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, and I am decluttering. I feel so good. Okay, anyway, I'm going to take a time out and plan in my planner. Okay, here is a question. How did you deal with toddler tantrums, them hitting, etc.? Oh my goodness, it is tough when they're like that, but it was constant follow through. Derek and I sat down and decided how we were going to discipline them when they were toddlers, and we did a lot of timeouts with them. And we had a bench in our house, that black bench that's in our entryway. A lot of our kids have sat there and have done timeouts, and we would do a minute for their age, and then when they were calm, but if like we wouldn't get them out if they weren't calm. They had to be calm. And then when they were calm, we would sit and talk with them. Tantrums are hard. I do not do well with whining. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, it's hard, but you have to follow through. You constantly have to follow through with any discipline decision that you make. And you and your partner have to be on the same page with it, because it just gets worse. But you got to nip them in the bud. And you've got to create some sort of discipline and follow through. You're not the bad guy. You're just helping these poor little things that need direction. And you're not a bad parent, but it's okay to say no. It's okay to be, like my friend Kat says, firm but kind. And it's very important. Question, are you still doing yoga? I'm trying to get into it. It's been hard since I've been sick on and off, but I have the will and I want to. So yeah, I am hoping to get back into it, because the good old week that I did it was quite nice. Oh, this is a sad assumption. Never spend much time with the hubby. Oh no, that's not true. Derek and I make so much time for one another. No, there's times when it's busy and it feels like we could be like two ships passing in the night, but we make it a goal that once a week that we get a date. Even if it's just playing a game together in the house or watching a movie cuddled up together, having a romantic dinner, like takeout at the dinner table, and we put on some candles when the kids are in bed. We make time for one another, and we try to at least once a year go on a trip with one another, and that this year it's going to be in August, and we're so excited. It is a work trip for Derek, but we are going to go and spend some time together there on that work trip. And no, that's a sad assumption. Derek and I actually spend a lot of time with each other. Oh boy, this is a hard question. Which age is the easiest to parent? I have no idea. No idea. They're all equally hard in their own way and equally easy in their own way. When you pass one stage, you're like, woo, thank goodness. And then you get onto a harder stage and you think, oh, that stage, the before was easier. That's a good question. I would say before they're one is probably the easiest. Give me a baby any day. Seriously. I know a lot of new moms are exhausted and the newborn stage is very hard. Oh, I love that phase. So to me, give me the newborn phase. That's the easiest. Or up to 6 months. Oh my gosh, I love it. I don't think there really is an easy stage, an easy age, honestly. They all have their pros and cons. Okay, it is a very calm week for us. So when it's very calm and there's nothing to add in, this is what I do. Every night I then will come down to my planner and I will put in my goals for the day. And if any other new appointments show up, they'll go here. So I just drew a line with my ruler down here. So this is like my to-go, like appointment section, and then here is anything like for the kids and things like that I'll put here, and then my to-dos I'll do over here, and I love the flow of that. Over here it's just anything that I want it to be. It could be routines, it could be concentrating on zones, it could be YouTube stuff, I can meal plan. This always changes, so let me give you a little look. This is one day here. This is what it looked like one time here. It always changes. I'm really enjoying this planner, you guys. It's simple, it's just basic, and I love it. So I have been journaling. I'm back at it. I used to do it for years when the kids were little. I have journals and journals, and then I stopped when things got crazy as they got older and the teenage years, and Heavenly Father has really pressed on me, I need to be journaling during these years, and it's probably for my posterity, because these are the really hard years. Yes, babies and newborns are hard, but honestly, come the teenage years, it's like, whoa. So I felt very pressed that I need to be channeling what I'm going through in my journals. You never know who they're gonna help. So it's just so fun, like journaling and adding like the stickers in and quotes, and it motivates me to journal, but it just, I think, will make it fun for my posterity when they're reading. Yeah, I'm just loving it. So I don't write in my journal every day. I try once a week to write in my journal, and I'm loving it again.